I am starting with the first view, that is the master view. Now, what is the use of master view? Master view helps us to control the look and the feel of the presentation or the Google Slides. That means we don't have to do the formatting for each and every slide if it is done once for the master view. Where to find out the master view? To launch the master view editor, go to the view tab in the menu bar and click master. Down the left hand side, you will see a number of layouts. At the top is the master layout. This is the control center for the rest of your deck. Any changes you make to this layout will be applied to other layouts in the master slides and all slides within your presentation too. So coming to the presentation, first I'm clicking on a blank slide. Now what I will be doing, I'll be going on the view. When I'm going on the view, I am able to see over here master. When I click the master, the first layout, that is the master layout, comes. Done. Now what I'm able to do over here, I will be able to select the text. When I'm selecting the text, by default it will be Arial. I am changing it to Chelsea and I'm increasing the size of it. I'm making it bold. I'm making it italics and I'm changing the color to red. So this is the thing that I have applied to the first slide. Now I'm just closing this part. Now again I'll be going in slide, or I will be just typing, right click over there and a new slide. When I go for the new slide over here, we require to select the slide, go in view, master. Now what I am doing, I'm changing this particular thing. I am selecting the master layout, selecting this particular part over here, the text I'm selecting, and I'm just changing the color of the text is yellow, and the background color I'm making it as gray. So we are going to see that these two have been applied to the first and the second slide or not. You are able to see as seen in the presentation. This is like the control center of the rest of your deck. Any changes you make to the layout will be applied to all the slides. So initially I made it only red. Now I am making it yellow with the background color. So you are able to see that this thing is applied to all the slides of the presentation. Again, right click, new slide, again select it, go in view, go in master layout. Now I'm not selecting the master, I'll be selecting the layouts and I'll be checking it whether it is applied to all or not. Again, I'm selecting the text. I'm making it architect's daughter. I'm removing the highlight color and I'm making it transparent. Now we'll see whether it is applied to all the slides or not. Coming back to the presentation, first, second, third. So yes, whenever we are applying the master, it is applied to all the slides and we do not have to do the formatting. The formatting is applied only to one and the remaining slides follow the formatting which is done to the master slide.